Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Murano 2007. Steering clock spring was no good. We replaced the clock spring, and after we changed the clock spring, okay, we are going to diagnose the car to see what code we have. Right now, I don't have a code like that, but I have one thing: airbag light. Okay, that message is no more, right? The cruise control message.
The airbag light is flat.
No, I'm talking about the cruise control. You remember you have a message for cruise control, right?
Yeah, because the battery was off, so I don't know if it reset it.
Oh, it will come back maybe. Connection, please. Connecting, please. Wait. Vehicle information decoding. I just update this tool. I don't know why. Yes, okay. Okay, now this is your pin code. He says it's not. I don't know why he says it's not okay. But let me go to. Maybe I am in a different section. Let me go now to Asian car. Where is it? Nissan. Nissan what year?
2007.
North America. US. Nissan Murano.
Yeah.
Z5. 2007. So okay. When the computer is old, it will not give you exactly control unit. I'm just gonna go to the airbag, okay? Because battery was reset or something. I'm gonna look at the airbag. What is there? I just want to read the codes. Driver airbag module open, driver airbag module open, and all is passed. All is passed. So, because you have two connectors, one. So I'm gonna go back, erase it, go. Supposed to go away. Erase. Read again. No fault. Light here is on, but it's supposed to go off. It's gone. Thank you for watching. If it's come back again, that means it still have a problem. But if it never come back again, that's it. Maybe now we are in the diagnose mode. Go out of it. And I believe that's it. I don't see anything. Just for the driver airbag. Could be for the clock spring. Okay, you see here. Yes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. Also, you have the security light is on, right? That will go away. Maybe because you do remote start.
I thought it was just because of the key battery. I don't know what's that for.
I don't know, but this is for remote starter or it's gone. Sometimes if you do remote starter or you do. That's it. This is Nissan. Yes.
Yeah.
Quality car.